Okay, so we want to look at transformations using a graph and given a description of what we want our new function to be, and we're going to sketch that new graph. Now remember, with transformations that the number being added to the function, so out here, plus 2 is added to the function, that is a vertical shift, so that means we're going up 2. But if what's being added or subtracted is inside the function itself, that represents a horizontal shift. And horizontal shifts always move in the opposite direction. So even though a -1 would make you think that you're going over to the left one, we don't. We do the opposite. And we will go right 1. So we're going to do this point by point. So on our original graph, we had -4, and I'm going to use a pencil and then color it in. So we started at -4, 0. Of course, you won't have a graph to work on, but you may want to sketch one in your notes so that you can put your original in and then move it. So -4, 0, I want to go right 1 and up 2. And then I have the point -2, 4. I want to go right 1 and up 2. I have the point 0, 0, right 1, up 2. I have the point 2, -2, right 1, up 2. And finally, I have the point 4, 0, and I'm going to go right 1, up 2. Now we want to connect these. So it's going to look something like this. Then it goes straight down there and straight up there. So that is a transformation of the graph where we took the whole graph, moved it up 2, and shifted it to the right 1. Remember, there is an order. If you have a stretching or shrinking or reflecting, we didn't do stretching and shrinking in this class, but those are possible. But the order is horizontal, then the stretch or shrink, then reflect, and we didn't have a reflection this time with this particular function, though we did on our Unit 1 test, and finally is the vertical. And really the only difference when you really need to pay attention to this order, we did them simultaneously, but it's when you have a reflection. You want to make sure you do your horizontal, then your reflection, and then do the vertical. I added the ordered pairs in there for you on the transformation, so you can see another way to do this is just doing the arithmetic of the transformation. So all of my x values, I added 1, and all of my y values, I added 2. So that's another way that you can do your transformation if you're given the ordered pairs, or if you can determine the ordered pairs.